Make a great choice today with the 2017
Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
power passenger seat,
anti-lock braking system,
heated seats,
traction control, all-wheel drive,
navigation system, XM satellite radio,
moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Come take a test drive today.